This video is brought to you by Green Zone Academy. Here's how you can enable dictation or voice typing on your Mac. To start off, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and then click System Settings. Once the settings window pops up, you want to click Keyboard in the sidebar. You may have to scroll down. Go to the dictation area and then turn on dictation. If you see a prompt window pop up, click the blue Enable button. Now, here's an example of how the dictation process would look. Let's say we're writing in a Word document. The following steps can be done in any program that you would like to write text in, whether that be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Adobe Acrobat, or any other such program. Place the insertion point where you want the dictated text to appear by using your mouse and click where you'd like. Press the F5 or the microphone button in the row of the function keys on your Mac. If you're not using a MacBook or a Mac product with an Apple keyboard included, you can go to Edit and Start Dictation. Some quick tips and things to know while you're dictating. If you want to insert an emoji, just say the name of the emoji, like car emoji. If you want to insert a punctuation mark, just say the name of it, like exclamation mark. This video was brought to you by Green Zone Academy. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and share this video with your friends if you thought it was helpful.